Hey beauties, Andrea.
And Patricia.
Hey beauties, Andrea.
Patricia.
And Happy New Year. I know I've said it in my last vlog, but I didn't say it in the beauty video. So hey, Happy New Year. You gonna say Happy New Year to the people?
Happy New Year.
Woo. So my hair obviously is straight, and I have a blow dryer to review. So since it's straight, I'm gonna do it on my sister's curly hair. All right, and of course I'm gonna also show a little feature on my daughter's 3C48 hair as well. Hers is 3B, just like mine. I will be reviewing the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler, and this one you find at Ulta for $39.99. This is what it looks like. It's kind of a little bigger on the handle. It gets bigger as it goes down. The settings off, cool, low, and high, and that is how you control it. That's the noise that it makes. The bristles are very well spaced out, so it mimics a paddle brush dryer. Yeah, I did use this on my daughter's hair, as you can see right here. Patricia, I would consider her a rookie when it comes to like tools. Am I right?
I work with tools.
Yeah, sure. So
I work with tools now.
You gotta prove it today. So she's gonna do it
And
by
that's not considered a
herself. A hair tool.
You give me a drill.
Oh my gosh. All right, Patricia, you turn on the light over there. Turn it on.
What's light?
You think so?
It's really light.
Okay. All right.
If I get in a fight,
You always start from the bottom. That's not a detangling tool. Put it on high. Is it high? Move up as you go.
Where was this 2 weeks ago when I needed it? Ridiculous. Awesome.
Look.
Shoot, where was this at?
You like it?
This is what I need in my life.
Was it fast? Was it easy to use?
So easy. Because usually when you do the other one, my hair gets so tangled. You can't even.
What about the roots? I feel like you're not doing a good job at the roots. Like you see how the roots are, you don't spend enough time up there. You don't get in there. You're supposed to like point where the air comes out. Yes, that's exactly what you're supposed to. Patricia. You have to put it through. Yes, keep going. Okay, so you can go in. Okay, go okay. What's that? Yeah. Stay a little bit there. At the no, not there. At the roots where you go. What do you think now that you did that way with the roots? Did it work better?
Yeah, I like it.
So basically, if you put the bristle in there going sideways instead of going downwards, the bristle will get a better contact with your roots. So if you hold the hair up, turn your head like that, and then you put the bristles right there, the brush bristle can get in there and dry your hair better when it comes to the roots. Oh, it did an amazing job on Patricia's hair. As you can see, it's literally straight. Like, if you're about to pass the flat iron on this, one pass, you're done. Yeah. Like, feel this. This is good. It feels amazing. And this is not a little amount of hair. This is actually a good amount.
Yeah,
like,
it is.
If you do, how many times you think how many pieces of sections you think you do on one side?
Yep,
3 sections and you're done. And you don't even have to, for your hair, you don't even have to like flat iron it. Flexi rods and wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
What do you rate this from 0 to 5?
I rate this a 5.
Yeah.
Because nothing, I'm telling you, nothing blow dries my hair without getting caught or getting, that just glided on through. And it's like almost straight.
Yeah. This is really good, you guys. I totally recommend, especially for like beginners. If you're in high school, if you're newly introduced to hair tools, anything like that, if you need a blow dryer that's easy to use, the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler is the option. It's the best option for you guys.
And she's gonna give me one.
So yeah, guys, that is my review on the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to press the bell to get notified of all the videos that I upload. Thank you, Patricia, for being on my video.
Anytime.
She says anytime, but that happens, what, once a year?
She doesn't invite me. I do it for you guys. It's just, it's all the love. I don't know how to. It's just so crazy.
It's not a drama channel. You can stop.
You're getting views.
Alright, guys. Bye.
Hey, look. Once we hit 100,000, don't tell me nothing.